Hey folks, welcome back. So this video will go about replacing both the xenon headlights on my E92 328 coupe version. So let's get it started. So one of the xenon bulb is out, but I'm going to replace in pairs. So if you look under the engine bay, really there is no clearance between the bulb cover. The bulb cover is this one, and this is the wheel well cover. So there is you can see one of the T20 torque screw, but there are five of them. Some of them are like actually hidden behind this wheel well cover. So meaning like you can't really access this without moving this wheel well cover. Before you start up, just make sure it is in the off position, not in the automatic, and also the car being completely shut off. The car is right now in the jack stands, so let's remove the wheels. Okay, so now that the wheel is removed, I really don't see an access panel cover which gives you access to remove the headlight bulb. So the only way to go over is to remove the entire front side of this fender liner. And this is the E92 version. It does have the sports and premium package, but I'm not sure if that makes any difference. There is one 10 mm nut over here, and 7 of them, one over here, 1, 2, it's like all over the places. So 7 8 mm and one 10 mm. So let's go and remove the fender liner. So there are like few more nuts underneath here below this one, so let's go and remove that as well. And those are again 8 mm. Finally, I think we'll get it. Okay, there it comes. Okay, so now you get a complete access of the xenon bulb housing. So there are 5 T20 torques, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So let's go and remove that. T20. Now that I removed all the T20 torques, let me remove the cover. Okay. There you have access for the bulb. So I think you have to just press it inside. Just remove both the clips. Okay. Just remove the connector. The bulb just comes out. And just remove the holder. That's it. So I got a pair of these new xenon bulbs. So let me just go ahead and install it back. I'm using an anti-static glove. Let me just put. Okay, so now let's put the clips back. Okay, the connector is on. So now let's turn on the lights and check it out before we put the panels back. So there you go. So let me put all the fender liners back, and I'll also go and replace the other side. So one thing I found out is like really you don't need to remove the air filter box. Just removing the fender liner actually worked. But let me show you the number of screws you have to remove. So starting from the bulb cover itself, there are like 5 T20 torque screws, and on the inner side of the fender liner you have like around 7 8 mm screws and one 10 mm nut, and for the bottom side of the fender liner you have like 6 8 mm screws, and there is also a ballast attached to it. So I think this belongs to the fog light and I haven't removed it. So let me just go ahead and put back the. Okay, so with the cover being installed, let's put the fender liner back. Replace both the headlights. So I managed to replace both the headlight bulb, and the overall process took around like 2.5 hours. So I was just trying to question myself why a simple maintenance task has to be this complicated. And after going through some of the details, what I really understood is like the distance from the headlight bulb to the wheel well cover is pretty less or pretty tight, making it almost impossible to replace the bulb by opening just the hood. And that is the whole reason you have to just remove the wheel well cover, and that kind of increases the overall complexity of this maintenance task, right? And the reason the wheel is like so far in the front is to actually increase the wheelbase to length ratio, and thus giving more stability for the car, and also just giving BMW an overall like the connected roll feel experience. So I think it's just a matter of giving priority to what design principles. Is it about stability, or is it about to do your day-to-day maintenance task over here? And clearly in this case looks like the design principle priority was stability, and thus increasing the overall complexity of all the other maintenance tasks. But again, that's just my opinion, and feel free to input your thoughts in the comment section below. And once again, thanks for watching this, guys, and have a nice day.